Thinking of getting a dog but not sure which breed matches your lifestyle? Some dogs are better for active families, while others thrive in small apartments or with first-time pet owners. But don't worry, we've done the research so you don't have to. Welcome to the Informative Living channel, where we help you make smart choices about pets, places, and everything in between. Today we're sharing the top 10 dog breeds that make amazing pets and why they're so popular. Let's find your perfect pup. Number 1. Labrador Retriever. The Labrador Retriever has held the title of America's most popular dog for years, and for good reason. Labs are friendly, loyal, and extremely trainable. They love being around people, especially kids, and make fantastic family pets. They do need regular exercise, so they're best suited for active households with yards or frequent outdoor activities. Their friendly nature also makes them poor guard dogs. They're more likely to lick an intruder than bark. Number 2. Golden Retriever. Similar to Labs, Golden Retrievers are gentle, affectionate, and eager to please. They're great with children, and often used in therapy or service dog roles because of their calm demeanour. Their beautiful golden coats need brushing a few times a week, but their friendly attitude makes the extra care worth it. Goldens thrive when they're included in the family's daily activities, so be prepared to give them plenty of attention. Do you have a Labrador or Golden Retriever at home? Or are they on your wish list? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. Number 3. French Bulldog. Don't have a big yard or much space. The French Bulldog is ideal for apartment living. These compact, muscular dogs are low energy and don't need long walks. They're affectionate, easygoing, and love being the centre of attention. One thing to keep in mind is that they can be prone to breathing issues due to their short snouts, so you'll need to avoid overexertion or hot climates. Still, their clownish charm makes them one of the most lovable companions. Number 4. Poodle. Poodles are often underestimated, but they're one of the smartest dog breeds around. Whether you go with a toy, miniature, or standard size, poodles are obedient, active, and hypoallergenic, making them perfect for allergy sufferers. They require regular grooming due to their curly coats, but in return, you get a well-behaved, elegant dog that learns tricks and routines with ease. Number 5. Beagle. Beagles are small, sturdy dogs with a lot of personality. Originally bred for hunting, they have strong noses and love to sniff everything in sight. They're playful and social, making them ideal for families with kids. Be warned though, Beagles are escape artists. Their curiosity and scent drive can lead them to dig or jump fences, so a secure yard is a must. Number 6. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. This breed is the definition of a lapdog. Cavaliers are affectionate, quiet, and highly adaptable. They can be just as happy in an apartment as they are in a house. They tend to follow their owners from room to room, always wanting to be close. With their silky coats and expressive eyes, they're as sweet as they are beautiful. However, their gentle nature means they may not be ideal as watchdogs. Number 7. German Shepherd. If you're looking for loyalty and protection, the German Shepherd delivers. These dogs are intelligent, confident, and courageous. They're used frequently as police or service dogs due to their discipline and obedience. German Shepherds need consistent training and mental stimulation. They thrive on structure and purpose. They're great for experienced dog owners or those willing to put in the time. Number 8. Shih Tzu. Originally bred for royalty in China, Shih Tzus are charming lapdogs with an easygoing attitude. They don't need much space or exercise, which makes them ideal for small homes. Their luxurious coat does require regular grooming, but their affectionate personalities more than make up for it. They love attention, and they're surprisingly good with children and other pets. Number 9. Boxer. Boxers are athletic, energetic, and protective. They have a playful spirit that lasts well into adulthood, and are great with kids thanks to their patience and gentle nature. Boxers form strong bonds with their families and can be wary of strangers, making them excellent watchdogs. They do require plenty of exercise, so an active household is a must. Number 10. Border Collie. If you want a dog that's smarter than your average toddler, meet the Border Collie. Known for their intelligence and work ethic, Border Collies excel in agility sports, herding and obedience. But they're not for the faint of heart. They need a job to do. Without proper exercise and stimulation, they can become anxious or destructive. If you have the time and energy, though, their loyalty and trainability are unmatched. Which breed on this list surprised you the most? Do you prefer active dogs or couch companions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Choosing the right dog breed can make all the difference in your pet experience. Whether you want a loyal protector, a couch buddy, or a playful pup, there's a perfect dog out there for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Informative Living channel, and hit the bell so you never miss out on fascinating pet facts and lifestyle tips. See you next time.